In the vast realms of off-road adventure, where every turn could be a trial, one name has always stood tall: Jeep. A symbol of uncompromising freedom of boundless exploration. But with that freedom, whispers followed. Can it be safe? Today, the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer steps forward, not just as a rugged explorer, but as a fortress on wheels, with a quality and reliability rating of 80 out of 100. It stands shoulder to shoulder with the giants of the industry. No longer is it just about conquering trails. It's about protecting the people within. This is the story of the Jeep Wagoneer, a story of power, safety, and a relentless desire to defy expectations. Brace yourself, because in the next few minutes we will unchain the truth. A truth that defies doubt and challenges perception. This is the 2024 Wagoneer, the undisputed king of Jeep safety. Stay with us as we unveil every detail, every feature, and every reason why this SUV is more than just a name. It's a guardian on the roads, and it's ready to prove it. From the treacherous mountain passes of Colorado to the urban battlegrounds of New York City, Jeeps have always been the go-to chariots for the bold. But the Wagoneer, it's more than just a rugged ride. It's a promise. A promise that fun and safety don't have to walk separate paths. In 2024, that promise became a reality, as the Wagoneer achieved a stellar rating of 80 out of 100 for quality and reliability, putting it in the same league as Hyundai, Volvo, and even Toyota. The Wagoneer didn't stop there. It faced the Institute, the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, an arena where only the strongest survive, and it came out with a distinction, joining the ranks of the 2024 Grand Cherokee and Grand Cherokee L with a top safety pick. But make no mistake, the Wagoneer stands above the rest. Its unwavering structure, its steadfast safety cage, and its advanced safety systems make it a true defender on the asphalt. Under the hood of this modern-day warrior lies a beating heart. A 3-liter twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine capable of unleashing a mighty 420 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just raw power. It's a symphony of engineering, tuned for precision and performance. It means that when you put your foot down, the Wagoneer doesn't just move. It surges forward with the ferocity of a charging beast. And yet, it's not just about power. It's about efficiency. With a fuel economy of 17 miles per gallon in city and 24 miles on highway, the Wagoneer balances might with pragmatism, ensuring that your adventure doesn't end at the next gas station. It's a balanced combatant in the field, ready to tackle any terrain, whether it's wilderness or urban sprawl. The 2024 Wagoneer stood before the Highway Safety Institute like a gladiator in the arena, facing crash tests that would rattle lesser SUVs. But it emerged, armor intact, with good ratings across the small overlap front and side impact tests. Its safety cage held strong, its front crash prevention system proving its worth. No compromises, just unbreakable defense. But the real test was in the moderate overlap front test. Here, the Wagoneer faced the stern challenge of new safety standards. It scored a marginal in the updated test, but let's be clear. This SUV stood its ground. Where others might have faltered, the Wagoneer adapted, and in the side impact test, it showed its true colors. Good ratings across every measure, a shield of steel for your family's safety. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The final trial, where stars are earned, not given. The 2024 Wagoneer claimed 4 stars overall, with a shining 5 stars in the frontal impact test. The driver's side scored perfect, while the passenger side wasn't far behind. And the side crash scores, perfection. But it's in the rollover test where the Wagoneer faced its toughest challenge. 3 stars, a 21% rollover risk. Yet this top-heavy giant stands proud, taking on sharp turns with confidence. It's not about being perfect, it's about being unyielding, even in the face of gravity's pull. No great warrior comes without scars, and the Wagoneer is no different. In 2024, it faced 3 recalls, each a battle in itself. August 2023, 1,62,713 Jeeps affected by a rear-view camera glitch. October 2023, 97,000 Wagoneers and Grand Wagoneers recalled for seat belt buckle issues. March 2024, a potential airbag failure, leading to a recall of 38,164 vehicles. But even as it confronts adversity, the Wagoneer remains a trusted guardian. Complaints: only 3, a whisper in a world where voices roar. An oil leak, a loss of power, and an unexpected shutdown, all acknowledged, all addressed. The Wagoneer might bear its battle scars, but it always fights back. Beside the Wagoneer stand its allies, the Grand Cherokee L and Compass. Each brings strengths of their own. The Grand Cherokee, a master of luxury with top safety pick ratings in 2023. The Compass, a guardian in daytime front crash prevention. But in 2024, the Wagoneer stands as the unmatched champion. And so, the 2024 Jeep Wagoneer emerges from the shadows of doubt, a sentinel on the front lines of safety. It's more than an SUV, it's a promise that Jeep can be both rugged and reliable. As you grip the steering wheel of this modern-day chariot, know that every mile is backed by innovation and unyielding determination. The road is yours, and the Wagoneer is ready to protect every adventure, every moment, and every mile. Choose the legend, choose the safest Jeep of 2024, and let confidence lead the way.